latch. To close or lock as if with a latch. Transitive, to catch, lay hold of. A fastening for a door that has a bar that fits into a notch or slot, and is lifted by a lever or string from either side. A flip-flop electronic circuit, obsolete, a latching. Obsolete, a crossbow. Obsolete, that which fastens or holds, a lace, a snare. A breastfeeding baby's connection to the breast. Databases, a lightweight lock to protect internal structures from being modified by multiple concurrent accesses. Obsolete, to smear, to anoint. L A T C H latch.